Traditional Ghapama.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Let's start off by topping our pumpkin. You're gonna carve out all of the seeds from the inside, making sure to scrape the wall so those little fuzzy things all come off. Add a little bit of olive oil all over, make sure to rub it all around. And sprinkle it around with a little bit of salt. Make sure to cover all around. Then add a little fresh cracked pepper and set it aside on a sheet tray. Now we're gonna dice up our onion. We're gonna dice up our yellow bell pepper. Now we're gonna slice up our jalapeno, some cherry tomatoes, and then smash your garlic and mince it up. Add in about 2 cups of rice and 2.5 cups of water. Bring it to a simmer and let it cook for 10 minutes. You don't want it to cook all the way through. Set it aside, and in the same pot, go ahead and add some oil and saute up your onions just until they're about translucent. Add in your peppers, your garlic, tomatoes, and stir it around. Add in some aleppo pepper or some paprika. If you want it spicier, add some habanero, then some cumin, and set it aside. Add some oil back in the pan and add in some ground lamb. I'm using lamb, you can use beef, you can really use any meat. Make sure you season it up nice and evenly. Add in some more aleppo pepper. And then set it aside. Now we're going to give that a good mix. If you like this video, take a minute, subscribe down below. I got plenty more videos to show you. And it's time to fill up our ghapama. Fill it up just until it's peeking over the top, because it'll settle down a little bit in the oven. Looks like I made a little bit too much mix, so we're gonna go ahead and grab another pumpkin. And then with whatever left over, you can have it for lunch because it's delicious. Now we're gonna pop that in the oven at 350, and that's gonna go in there for about an hour and a half. After about an hour, you wanna check it with a toothpick. If it slides in and out nice and easily, your ghapama's done. A little customary ghapama dance. Now to serve it, slice along the edges and you're gonna open it up like a flower. And you can do this at the table or do it on a plate when it's ready to serve. It can be served hot or at room temperature. There you have it.